Alright guys, check this out. You're looking at a custom fitted grill set. This one here is gold plated over 9 to 5 sterling silver. 8 top, 8 bottom. You can get this in other combinations as well. It's available on our website, blingcartel.com. You get free shipping in the US, quick service. This is handmade work, guys. Show you the back side. It's available on our website, blingcartel.com. Check us out. Beautiful handmade work. Thank you for watching, guys. As always, y'all have a good one.